An outflow boundary approaching the waters. At 5 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an outflow boundary 6 nautical miles west of Occoquan Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Locations impacted include Smallwood State Park, Occoquan Bay, Gunston Hall. Wind gusts of 20 to 30 knots can't be expected. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 04:44 p.m. Strong thunderstorm to affect... National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Brenta Point, moving southeast at 35 knots. This thunderstorm will be near tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 04:40.